Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Facamword WiFi Range Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take your Facamword Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED light becomes solid on, not blinking. This shows the extender has powered up and is ready to start setup. Find the WPS Wi-Fi Protected Setup button on your main Wi-Fi router. The button might be labeled WPS or show a 2 curved arrows icon. It is usually located on the back or side panel of your router. Now, press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should see a blinking WPS LED light on the router. This means your router is now searching for a device to connect securely. Within those 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Facamword Wi-Fi extender. The WPS light or signal light on your extender will start blinking, showing that it's trying to connect to your router. Give it about 30 to 60 seconds to establish the connection. When the WPS/signal LED turns solid green or blue, depends on model, it means the extender is now successfully connected to your router. If the light turns red or keeps blinking, try the process again by pressing both WPS buttons once more. Once the WPS connection is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location midway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Make sure the new spot still receives at least 50% signal strength from the router. On your phone, laptop, or smart device, open your Wi-Fi settings. You'll now see a new extended network name, usually something like your network name _ext. Your Facamword Wi-Fi Range Extender is now fully connected using the WPS method. You can now enjoy a stronger and wider Wi-Fi. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.